In this video, I will take a deep dive into the Wimius G2 projector to see if this compact device actually delivers on its big promises. This budget-friendly unit has been making waves for its ultra-portable design, fitting easily into a backpack for movie nights on the go. When you first unbox it, the build quality feels surprisingly solid for the price point, featuring a sleek aesthetic that blends into any modern living room. The setup process is remarkably straightforward, offering native 1080p resolution support that produces sharp images when the lights are low. While it performs best in dark environments, the brightness is sufficient for casual evening viewing or gaming sessions in a bedroom. One of the standout features is the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, which allows for seamless screen mirroring from your smartphone or connecting to external sound systems. The internal speakers are decent for small rooms, but serious audiophiles will likely want to take advantage of that Bluetooth pairing for a more immersive theater experience. It also handles various inputs like HDMI and USB with ease, making it a versatile hub for your streaming sticks or gaming consoles.